Communication skills and personality development. Functional grammar. Functional grammar is a linguistic framework that emphasizes the communicative functions of language and how they are expressed through different linguistic resources. It analyzes language in context, taking into account the situation, speaker and listener knowledge, and social and cultural norms. It provides a comprehensive understanding of how language is used to convey meaning. Structural grammar. Structural grammar is a linguistic framework that focuses on the rules and structures that govern language. It breaks language down into smaller components and analyzes them using formal rules and representations. The approach emphasizes the importance of grammatical structure in generating and interpreting meaning. Communication process. The communication process involves a sender, message, encoding, channel, receiver, decoding, and feedback. The sender initiates the communication, encodes the message, and selects the channel for transmission. The receiver receives and decodes the message and provides feedback to the sender. Verbal communication. Verbal communication is the exchange of information through spoken words. It involves the use of language, voice tone, and body language to effectively convey ideas and emotions. Verbal communication occurs in a variety of contexts and is essential for human interaction, from personal conversations to formal presentations and negotiations. Nonverbal communication. Nonverbal communication involves the use of body language, facial expressions, tone of voice, and other forms of communication that do not involve words. It can convey emotions, attitudes, intentions, and cultural norms, and can reinforce or contradict the verbal message. Effective communication requires an understanding of both verbal and nonverbal cues. Listening. Listening is the process of actively paying attention to what someone is saying in order to understand their message. Effective listening requires focusing on the speaker, avoiding distractions, and interpreting both verbal and nonverbal cues. Note-taking. Note-taking is a method of recording important information during a lecture, meeting, or presentation. It involves summarizing key points, using abbreviations and symbols, and organizing the information in a clear and concise manner. Effective note-taking helps improve retention and comprehension of the information being presented. Writing skills. Writing skills refer to the ability to communicate ideas and information effectively through written language. Effective writing requires a range of skills, including the ability to organize and structure ideas, use appropriate language and grammar, and convey a clear and concise message. Oral presentation. Oral presentation skills refer to the ability to effectively communicate information and ideas through spoken language in a presentation format. Effective oral presentation skills require the ability to organize and structure ideas, use appropriate language and tone, engage the audience, and convey a clear and concise message. Field diary. A field diary is a record of observations, notes, and reflections made by a researcher while conducting research in the field. It includes descriptions of the research setting, interactions with participants, and any insights or challenges encountered during the research process. A field diary serves as a valuable tool for analyzing and interpreting data and can also help ensure the accuracy and reliability of the research. Lab record. A lab record is a written account of experimental procedures and results conducted in a laboratory setting. It includes detailed notes on materials used, procedures followed, and observations made during the experiment. A lab record serves as a valuable tool for ensuring the reproducibility and accuracy of experimental results and for identifying potential sources of error or bias. It also helps to ensure compliance with ethical and safety protocols. Indexing. Indexing is the process of creating a searchable database of terms or keywords that identify the main subjects, ideas, or themes in a text or collection of documents. Indexing helps readers locate information quickly and efficiently and is commonly used in books, journals, and other types of publications. Footnotes. Footnotes are additional notes or comments that appear at the bottom of a page in a document or publication. They provide readers with additional information, clarification, or citation information related to specific parts of the text. Bibliography. A bibliography is a list of sources that have been consulted or cited in the creation of a particular work, such as a research paper, book, or article. The purpose of a bibliography is to provide readers with information on the sources that have been used in the creation of the work, allowing them to further explore the topic or verify the information presented. Reading. Reading is the process of interpreting written language in order to understand its meaning. It involves decoding written symbols and making sense of the words, sentences, and paragraphs to comprehend the author's intended message. Precise writing. Precise writing refers to the use of clear and concise language to communicate a message or idea. It involves using the most appropriate words and phrases to convey meaning in a direct and efficient manner. Summarizing. Summarizing refers to the process of condensing a longer text or piece of information into a shorter version while still retaining the most important information and key points. It involves identifying the main. Abstracting. Abstracting refers to the process of creating a brief summary or overview of a longer text, such as a research article, report, or book. An abstract typically provides a concise description of the purpose, methodology, results, and conclusions of the original work, without including extensive detail. Group presentation. Group presentations involve multiple individuals working collaboratively to deliver a presentation on a particular topic or subject. The presentation may include visual aids, such as slides, charts, or graphs, and may involve each member of the group taking on a specific role or task. Individual presentation. Individual presentations involve a single individual delivering. The presentation may include visual aids, such as slides, charts, or graphs, and may involve the use of multimedia tools, such as videos or audio recordings. Impromptu presentation. An impromptu presentation is a speech or presentation that is delivered on the spot, without any prior planning or preparation. It requires the speaker to think quickly and respond to a specific topic or question in a coherent and organized manner. Public speaking. Public speaking refers to the art of communicating a message or idea to an audience through oral presentation. It involves the use of various techniques and strategies to engage and persuade listeners, including the use of visual aids, storytelling, and effective body language. Group discussion. Group discussion is a form of communication where a group of individuals come together to discuss a particular topic or issue. It involves sharing ideas, opinions, and perspectives on the subject, with the goal of arriving at a common understanding or solution. Seminar. A seminar is a meeting or conference where a group of individuals with a common interest or expertise gather to discuss and exchange ideas on a particular topic. It often involves the presentation of research papers, lectures, or talks by experts in the field, followed by a discussion or question and answer session. Conference. A conference is a gathering of individuals with a shared interest in a particular topic or subject. It typically involves a series of presentations, workshops, and discussions led by experts in the field, with the goal of sharing knowledge and insights, and promoting collaboration and networking among attendees. Thank you for watching.